Hi, it's Carla from the Thumbsucking Clinic. A lot of parents ask me, what should I use to brush my baby's first tooth when it first comes out? Well, there's a couple of things you can do. Actually, a warm face washer or washcloth is fine, just to rub onto the area to remove the plaque. A little baby toothbrush might be okay, although some babies don't like having things put in their mouths without their control. So if you do brush your baby's teeth, actually put their hand on the toothbrush with you and let them help you do the little bit of brushing. But I also love these things. These are little finger brushes. So what they do is they will go over your finger and you can actually use them to gently rub onto your baby's teeth, and it will just remove the light soft plaque on your baby's tooth. You should do that at least twice a day, in the morning and at night. Some parents find it easier to do it just after a nappy change or while their bub's in the bathtub. Give it a go, they're great. This side has a little bumpy side, which is great for stimulating the gums. And this side has some beautiful little rubber silicone filaments that are very soft on the tissues.